Hi friends, welcome back to Hobby Plus. Today I am discuss about this circuit which I already discussed in my other video, but in that case I cannot tell you what is the problem of this circuit. If you want to design this circuit, you get a problem. You cannot get 0 volt from the output of this circuit because the IC LM117 is never give you 0 volt from this circuit. Then how can we manage the voltage from 0 to plus? Have you any idea? I give you two ideas that will be work properly and you can solve your problem easily. So you just watch the video and don't skip it. First of all, what is the problem? Why it is not happen from 0 to 30? Because the adjusting pin of this IC must lesser than 1.27 volt from the output. So when the potentiometer goes to 0, that means the minimum difference is 1.27 volt. That's why we are not get 0 volt from the output of this IC. Now, how can we solve this problem? Look at this. First of all, we have to understand how we get negative voltage from the positive voltage. Suppose you have 3 batteries. Each battery give you 3 volt. That means in series you can get 9 volt from the output of this network. But when you put your negative probe in here and measure this voltage, then you can get 6 volt here. And also your negative probe is here and positive probe is here. That means you get negative 3 volt from this battery. That is the basic design of the circuit. We can get total positive volt, but we can divide the voltage minus and plus also. Now in my resistance network circuit or voltage divider circuit, if you watch this video, you can get same thing in here. Look at this. That is a resistance network where you can get 1.27 volt. How you get this? You just watch this video where I tell everything for this network circuit, and you also control your ampere through this way. Now, how can we solve the problem? Just look at this. If you have a transformer who has 2 loops, one is main power, in another loop is reference voltage, another loop for reference voltage. Here is a negative voltage we make here, and by the Zener diode we confirm that that is a minus 1.27 volt, and this resistance work as a ampere controller. If I put there, if I put this resistance here, that means I also control the voltage, control the ampere, I also control the ampere, so this Zener diode never blows off. So I can make this voltage from here and I can put this voltage for as a reference. If you have not this type of transformer in your lab, then you can do same thing with a different circuit. Look at this. Here is a circuit where you have only two loop. One is for primary and another is for secondary. So if you make this circuit and this type of circuit here, then you also get your reference voltage, which is actually effect on the adjust pin of the LM117, and you can get 0 volt from this circuit. But if you want to see the circuit totally, you just watch. Here I make this circuit fully. I make this circuit completely. If you do this, then this voltage, you can get here from 0 volt to 30 volt plus. Hope this video is helpful. If you have any question or any doubts or you have any suggestion, then you must tell me in my comment box. I will answer your question and solve your problem. And you know what to do. Please do this. Thank you. Thank you for watching.